Hold up. FOMO. Alright, hi. My name is Mark Banks and I'm the Aussie Trader. And I've just realized that the other day, as much as I tell people to never FOMO, yep, I actually FOMO'd. Let me tell you what happened. So over the weekend, Bitcoin and all the alts, everything was pumping nicely, so there was a lot of money to be made. And, I actually made some quite good money, great growth on my portfolio. And, basically all you had to do is long, because everything was pumping, just long, of course, on a good entry. So, Friday night, won a fair bit. Saturday, Sunday, won some nice profits. And come Monday, woke up, did my 10 charts, as I always do. And I was out of a trade because all my trades were closed by Sunday night. And, although I was very, very happy with my weekend, I'd hit my goals, smashed through the goals. I didn't have that euphoria, that, the excitement, I'm in a trade. And for some reason, I knew that I was forcing something, so I did my charts and I found a trade on Ripple and I entered. And, the back of my mind, I thought, this isn't exactly what you look for. I didn't have my third strong confirmation. I had two, the third one I was looking at different time frames and indicators to find that third confirmation, and yeah, I found it. But what do you think happened? About 10 minutes later, I was in the red. I think about an hour later, I was 50% in my stop loss, and within a couple of hours, hit my stop loss. So, massive lesson for me. I think I maybe won about 8 or 9% over the weekend. But I've just woke up Monday morning, instead of starting the week off on a great note, I've just given the markets back 1%. And this is something that, my mentors in MBA always tell us is, to not give the money back to the markets. Take it. If you're in profit, move your stop up. Collect some of your bag, take your profits, and then don't give it back to the market. So, whether that means taking a day off trading or, cutting that trading session short, yet there's never nothing wrong with collecting profits. And yeah, so I realized a couple of things. I woke up and greed got in the way. I was greedy, I can't deny it. Greed, I wanted more money, and instead of winning more, I just threw it back to the pros. The pros took my money, and that's how they get rich. So yeah, I had some greed and I had FOMO. As much as I don't want to admit it, I had a fear of missing out on more money. So a couple of big lessons there that, just take the wins, enjoy it. You've got 30 days to make your monthly targets. Now, whether your targets are 7.5% a month, 10%, 12, 15%, whatever your monthly target is, you got 30 days. So why are we rushing? So I rushed it, and now I have to work double hard to get that next trade, because I'm now 1% down for the start of the week, and that's not in a position I want to be in. So my lessons are, it's okay to not be in a trade. If it takes 2 days for my setup, cool, I'm gonna wait 2 days. If it takes 3 days, cool. I think after the big, the rush and the pumps, a bit of the trade plan went out the window. A bit of really stepping back and looking at the markets went out the window, because everything was just longing. And I'm seeing people win, people's Facebook posts, and I didn't want to not be in that. I had a FOMO of not being in that. So I was entering and winning, really good strike rate. Come Monday, just threw it back. So yeah, big lessons in that. But I think one of the most important things I can take away from that experience is the power of the mind. So, for me, I needed 3 confirmations. Now, if you only have 2, trust me, your brain is gonna find a way to find that third confirmation, whether it's a different time frame, whether it's, a different indicator, seeing a pattern that you've never ever traded. You remember reading it in a book 2 years ago and it's popped up. So your brain is going to find a way to find that confirmation. And on the flip side, if you're about to enter a trade, your brain is going to find a way to not enter the trade because it's going to find things that'll scare you out. So we have fear and greed at play. Now, it just shows the power of the mind. So really sticking to the trade plan. Be like a robot. If your rules, let's say you've got 10 rules of entry and you only need to tick 3 off. If that third one is not in that list of 10 and you pull a rule out from a different time frame or from a book, then your brain is distorting reality to get you in that trade because you got FOMO and greed. And that's exactly what happened to me. So I'm learning to pull back, really learning the power of the trade plan. I do know it and I follow it, but yeah, there's times I slacken off. Once I get that, honed in and really, stay like a robot on my plan, I have no doubt that I'll gain an extra 4, 5, 6% a month in portfolio gain because I won't be throwing it away to the markets. Now, that's huge. If I can save 5%, then I've probably made half of my monthly goal. So that's a little bit on, what I've learned over the weekend. Yes, the pumps are great. And, for myself, I've been trading for 7 months now. And of course, FOMO still comes. I didn't think it did, but when I step back and realize it comes. So biggest lessons, fear, greed, follow the trade plan, remove the fear and the greed, become a robot and let's really smash it. Now don't forget, if you're looking to go from a break-even trader to profitable, or you're sick of losing money, come and join us at MBA Trading Academy. We have 2,000 students, we have 5 Zoom calls per week, Facebook groups, messenger chats, live courses, live seminars. So the value that we deliver is just over the top. It's insane and I love it. So if you're looking for somewhere to really sharpen your skills, get in contact with me, join us at MBA Trading Academy, and I have no doubt you'll improve your trading. Well, until next video, I'm Mark Banks, the Aussie Trader, and trade safe.